Hi dear students, welcome my YouTube channel Study 98 with Knowledge। सुपरटेट TGT ELT ग्रेड इंग्लिश टीचर के कम्पिटिटिव एग्जाम की बेहतर तैयारी के लिए स्टडी 98 विद नॉलेज के साथ जुड़ें। बेहतर तैयारी करें। जिन मित्रों ने चैनल को सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया है सब्सक्राइब करें और वीडियो को एंड तक देखें। हमारी अधिक से अधिक वीडियो और PDF प्राप्त करने के लिए हमारे टेलीग्राम चैनल स्टडी 98 विद नॉलेज के साथ जुड़ें। Question number 51. Biographia literaria was originally intended to be option A poem, option B a preface, option C an epilogue, option D a biography. The right answer of this question is option D, a preface. Literaria biographia was originally intended to be a preface. It was written by S.T. Coleridge. S.T. Coleridge. Published in 1817. So the right answer of this question is option B. Question number 52. Beat generation is option A group of indigenous Australian authors, option B a group of authors from Africa renouncing their colonial past, option C a group of authors who migrated from Asian countries, option D a group of non-conformists emerged in America in 1950. The right answer of this question is option D. A group of non-conformists emerged in America in 1950. Question number 53. The Great Indian Novel is written by option A Vikram Seth, option B Shashi Tharoor, option B V.S. Naipaul, option D Salman Rushdie. The right answer of this question is option B Shashi Tharoor. The Great Indian Novel is satirical novel by Shashi Tharoor, first published by Wickning Press in 1989. 1989. So the right answer of this question is option B. Question number 54. In which year was the Pre-Raphaelite Brotherhood established? Option A 1845, option B 1846, option C 1848, option D 1849. The right answer of this question is option C 1848. The Pre-Raphaelite Brotherhood was a group of English painters, poets, and art critics founded in 1848 by William Holman and D.G. Rastogi. Holman and D.G. Rastogi. So the right answer of this question is option C. Question number 55. The first secular uses of the term epiphany was done by option A Oscar Wilde, option B Shakespeare, option C James Joyce, option D Marlowe. The right answer of this question is option C James Joyce. The first secular uses was term epiphany was done by Irish novelist James Joyce. So the right answer of this question is option C. Question number 56. Space by Vikram Seth is based on Charles Johnston's translation of Alexander Pushkin, Eugene Onegin, 1833. Option A Suitable Boy, option B All You Who Sleep Tonight, option C From Heaven Lake, option D The Golden Gate. The right answer of this question is option D The Golden Gate. The Golden Gate is a first novel by poet and novelist Vikram Seth. गोल्डन गेट विक्रम सेठ का पहला नावल है. सो द राइट आंसर ऑफ दिस क्वेश्चन इज ऑप्शन डी. क्वेश्चन नंबर 57. Athwart is a poetic word that suggests which of the following meaning in the poetry? Option A, around. Option B, near. Option C, across. Option D, far. The right answer of this question is option C, across. Athwart is a poetic word all that suggests the meaning across in poetry. So the right answer of this question is option C. Question number 58. New apocalypse movement was a reaction against the politically oriented machine age literature and realist poetry of 1930s. Its founders were option A, Henry Trace and J.F. Henry. Option B, Alan Lewis and Keith Douglas. Option C, James Henley and Patrick Hamilton. Option D, Graham Greene and Evelyn Waugh. The right answer of this question is option A, Henry Trace and J.F. Henry. Question number 59. Which of the following writers have written for children? Option A, Mulk Raj Anand. Option B, Ruskin Bond. Option C, Arvind Adiga. Option D, Nisam Ezekiel. The right answer of this question is option B, Ruskin Bond. Ruskin Bond is an Indian author of British descent. Ruskin Bond has written for children. So the right answer of this question is option B. Question number 60. Which of the following is not a work by Dr. Johnson? Option A, Preface to the English Dictionary. Option B, Preface of Shakespeare. Option C, Lewis of English Poets. Option D, Cowley. The right answer of this question is option D, Cowley. Question number 61. Arrange the following English literary periods in the order in which they appeared. Use the codes given below. Code: Elizabethan, Colonial, Anglo-Norman, Early, Tudor. The correct combination according to the code. The right code is option D, ऑप्शन टी. पहला है एंग्लो नॉर्मल. दूसरे नंबर पर एयरली टडर. तीसरे नंबर पर इलिजाबेथन और चौथे नंबर पर कॉर्लिन. So the right answer of this question is option D. Question number 62. To which literary age did Dickens belong? Option A, the Elizabethan age. Option B, the Augustan age. Option C, the Victorian age. Option D, the Romantic age. The right answer of this question is option C, the Victorian age. चार्ल्स डिकिंस एक इंग्लिश राइटर और क्रिटिक थे. वह विक्टोरियन एज से संबंधित थे. सो द राइट आंसर ऑफ दिस क्वेश्चन इज ऑप्शन सी. क्वेश्चन नंबर 63. व्हाट इज द सिग्निफिकेंस ऑफ द नेम ऑफ द वार? of the rose? Option A, England and France both had the same national flower, the rose. Option B, the war occurred in the season of roses. Option C, the rebel factions in the war were symbolized by red and white roses respectively. Option D, rose symbolized the bloodiness of the war. The right answer of this question is option C. The rebel factions in the war were symbolized by red and white roses respectively.